In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can convert your spreadsheet to be a PDF document. To do this, go to File, and then from here, you're going to want to click on Print. And you're going to want to change the printer to not your default printer, but Print to PDF, Microsoft's Print to PDF. Going to click on that, and from here, you can kind of adjust what specifically you want to print. So you can adjust the sheets that you want to print. You can adjust the size of the printing. You can adjust the margins and so on and so forth to make sure that you're printing exactly what you want to. Once you've tweaked all of these settings, you can click on print and it will then print the file to be a PDF document. What it looks like as a PDF document. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.